Thank you, Shannon. For some people, pets are just pets, but to some, pets are family, and there's a way that you can help your pets live longer, healthier lives. Lauriston Crockett is a pet anti-aging expert and the founder of The Gift for Life. We're happy to have you. You must know I am a dog person.
I do.
Now, many people say that you have created the fountain of youth for pets.
This is what they say. But
How did you come up with this?
Well, you know, I was actually on the road to becoming a Franciscan monk at the time. And my companion was a beautiful little Cocker Spaniel by the name of Joe Cocker. What else would you name a Cocker Spaniel except Joe Cocker? And so what happened is that Joe came down with skin cancer. And I stayed with him, and I did everything that I possibly could to help him and find out why was this happening. And Joe died in my arms, and it just broke my heart. So I decided to change my life course and find out what was going on and see what we could do better in pet anti-aging and wellness and rejuvenation. And so I dedicated my life to that.
And here we're seeing a photo of Joe.
Joe.
Of Joe. You know what? Even though Joe isn't with us any longer, he has been the foundation that is now helping many other people keep their senior dogs and their dogs around much, much longer. We actually have a picture of your dog, Max.
Oh, Maximilian. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, Max is a rescue also. When I brought him home, he was 67 pounds and in horrible condition. We started him with The Gift for Life. He now weighs right at 100 pounds, full of muscle, full of life. He's 7 years old and still acts like a puppy. So we definitely changed that life.
Those are the best. They're 150 pounds and they think they're 5 pounds. You know, they're the most lovable.
He's a big lap dog, yeah, but we train every day.
You brought some samples because he didn't start this way, but I'm sure he eventually got there with The Gift of Life. How does this work?
Well, the Gift for Life is actually a protein peptide. And what it does is it works with the endocrine system. A lot of people don't understand that when you spay and neuter a pet, that you cause them endocrine disease. Now, this endocrine disease can cause up to 3 forms of cancer, and Addison's disease, and Cushing's disease, and hypothyroidism, and ligament tears, and all these other things. And so we've been able to stop, slow down, or reverse the side effects of spaying and neutering. Now, we agree with spaying and neutering because of the overpopulation, but if you do, you must give them hormonal support, or the dogs and cats will suffer from the side effects.
Okay, this is something I haven't heard before you. We actually have some photos that shows the growth factor. You can take a look at that right there.
Absolutely, yeah. The naturally occurring growth factors will affect all the certain parts of the body, from brain function to energy, and actually balancing out that endocrine disease. And when you do spay and neuter, they are only producing 1% of the hormones they did before the elective surgery. The Gift for Life is going to turn on their adrenal cortex, and they'll start producing 24 life-giving hormones. And they'll start changing. In a lot of cases, you'll start seeing results in a matter of 4 days.
That's incredible. Can we use this for cats also? We're dog people, but is this cats and dogs?
Absolutely. Well, I have 2 cats myself, so yeah, we have a cat version because of body mass and flavoring. You know, our kitty cats are pretty finicky sometimes.
Sure.
And then we also have the dog version.
They're sassy. And of course, they know what they like. You know, can any cat or dog take it at any breed?
Absolutely. There's no side effects. There's no side effects with medication, just results.
No, is it ever too late to start taking? If we have a dog that's already at home, kind of in their last chapter of their life, can they start taking
No,
this?
please start today. I'm working with dogs that are 13, 14, 15, 16, even 17 years old. And we're changing those dogs' life. You give 1 chewable treat in the morning. I've made it super easy. 1 chewable treat in the afternoon. And the reason is the peptide only stays in the system for 8 hours. So we want to keep it in homeostasis. In other words, just for balance. So you give 1 chewable treat in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. It's a blast.
And you have a special offer for us.
I do. If you put in the code GMT, we're going to give 10% off. So you can do that on the website, or you can also find us on Amazon.com.
Okay, did you hear that? No matter where your animal is, cat or dog in their life, the time is now to start making that life healthier and to continue it and to extend it also, so you can have Fluffy, Joe, or Max around a little longer. So here's that number to call. Take advantage of the GMT deal. It's 877-324-0535, so you can give your pet the fountain of youth. Also, more information if you missed it here on GMT, it's on their website at thegiftforlife.com.